Hi, I'm going to sing Every Time We Touch by Cascada, but I found this karaoke version on YouTube by singing Sunshine, and it was amazing, and I felt the need to sing to it because I loved it so much. So I hope you love it as much as I do. Okay, here it goes. I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dreams. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. Every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel ecstatic. Every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat so I can't let you go? Want you in my life. Your arms are my castle, your heart is my sky. They wipe away tears that I cry. The good and the bad times, we've been through them all. You make me rise when I fall. Every time we touch, I get this feeling. Every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static. Every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat so I can't let you go? I want you in my life. Okay, thank you. I hope you liked it.